Joys and sorrows are never one thing. Yet in every experience, God endowed us with His choicest blessings. His love and His grace strengthen us and give us the courage to anchor ourselves in hope and to trustfully put out into the deep. Yes, we proudly rejoice in front of you because we have received in abundance God's manifold blessings hidden in persons, places, things, and situations that form the ongoing story of our vocational journey. So now is the moment to express our deep and heartfelt gratitude to God for sustaining us all these years. We want to glorify Him by saying thank you to all the persons who have been instruments of His providential love in our life's journey as daughters of Mary, Help of Christians. As daughters, our first appreciation goes to our dearest Mother Mary, the Help of Christians. Thank you for your maternal presence and enduring love. Thank you for being our patient teacher in discipleship and our sure guide to Jesus. With your mantle of protection, we have no reason to fear.
To our parents who are here and those who have gone ahead of us, we thank you for bringing us into this world, for sharing your faith, for loving us unconditionally, and for holding us to be the person God wanted us to be. To our siblings and relatives who are with us now, and those who are celebrating with us in spirit this grace-filled moment, thank you for your care and support in realizing our vocation as consecrated religious. We thank as well our Superior General, Mother Chiara Cazzuola, FFA, our Provincial Superior, Sister Teresita Padron, FFA, our former provincials, Sister Ana Maria Matiusi, Sister Felicidad Guado, Sister Celia Akuhan, Sister Alicia Fulgencio, Sister Sara Garcia, and Sister Mabel Pilar. Our formators, especially our novice mistresses, our assistants, our past and present community animators, thank you for your motherly guidance, listening heart, formative presence, and evangelical witnessing that have inspired us to move on in our journey with much courage and hope. To you, our dear FMA sisters, for your sisterly friendship and accompaniment, for the word and the Eucharist that we have broken together, for the pastoral endeavors we have carried out to build God's kingdom, and for all the moments we have shared in the spirit of family.